How to open a paint can! Alright, get yourself one of these. This is a painter's tool, also called a 6-in-1. Used to be 5-in-1 when I started painting. Alright, get this tool and then do this. Buy this, do this. Lid off. Kapow. Gets better. See this sharp point here? We're going to puncture some drainage holes in the top of the can. Little wiggle and push. Alright. And now when you have you pour the paint and there's paint all up in there, you got these holes that are going to help drain the paint back down into the can so it doesn't build up on top. Alright. Let's keep that can clean so it's easy to open next time. Oh, what's this? A metal butt? Kapow. Look at that. You can close the can too. Plastic lid? No problem. Alright, same operation, but I will say you do have to give it a little extra wiggle. Just give it a little extra wiggle. A little extra. We'll get through it. We'll get there. Alright, yep, the paint can opener. Woo! You can do this, a little bit of this. But it's not cool, and it's not fast. Flathead, sure. Yeah, you can use a flathead if you want. Got some old sticky, icky can. Ooh wee. Might have to resort to some pliers. That's how you open a paint can. Capiche? Quick refresh. Buy one of these. Links down below. Check out this OG. Are we good here? On a more serious note, work is done. It's time for play. You always have to find that balance. Work-play balance. So let's make sure we get that in.